everybody, let's tear it up and play with art. We're going to be playing in my junky journal glue book, my journal, and this mini album that I'm tearing up right now because I did this long time ago and it's not right. You can see this paper was cute, but you can see it's not made well at all. And I tried, you can see I already started pulling it apart. But oh, this is embarrassing. This is an earlier mini album. See, look at the bottom. You can see it's just totally messed up. So, and then here I go. I've pulled this before. So I'm going to be ripping things out of here and putting it into my use it up, mistake, junk journal, whatever, a random item, glue book, art book, junk journal, whatever this is. That's what it's going to be today. Okay? No. So we're going to play in this. So don't be alarmed when you see me ripping up that, because that was very, very, very early when I started doing mini albums. I just jumped right in and I enjoyed making them, but I didn't. This one, oh gosh, it's really bad. It's really bad. It's really bad. And I don't want to waste anything. And that's what's good about a glue book junk journal. If you could just put down anything that you want to glue down and make something in. So I'm going to I'm trying to tear off this element. And look how basic that is. That is, oh, well, anyway, that's not the worst part. The worst part is how it was constructed, in my point of view. It just wasn't done well. And again, this was in the beginning of my making it. I just loved making those and decorating. And you can see where I stuck that one too. And that, so, oh, gotta find a page. Nope, not that page. I guess I'll be finding a page soon. Here it is. I'm going to use this page right here. Now this is where it gets interesting. You see how I'm piled up in that in my robe? I'm piled up in my robe. I like this robe. As you see in the beginning, this is going to instantly become a art journal right quick, because I saw paint is sitting on the cabinet above it to my right, and I picked it up. The trick is, am I going to get paint on it? Spoiler alert, I do not. But I shocked myself when I picked up the paint, because I was like, I didn't know I was going to be painting today. But as you can see, there's no black on the page, so to make it match, I start painting. And I'm going to start from here to speed it up, because this was a 45, almost 45 minute video, and we don't want to sit up here. Oh, because I'm drying too. This time I'm trying to be patient and dry the page. And there's places where I turned on the dryer, and you don't want to listen to that too. So I'm speeding it up a little bit. I wish I knew where I bought that pack of brushes, because I always enjoy using these sponge brushes. But I wish I'd have known, because that was $4.99 for that pack, and that was a pretty good buy right there. Even sped up, it's 30 minutes. I may have to cut it down a little bit, because right here you get it. I'm painting it. Now I won't paint the whole side of the left side, because I like to, let it know that it was a advertisement. You can see here where I didn't let it fully dry. But a good thing is black paint on a black surface because, or black paper, because you can see the little dots, it dries. Now remember, this is a junky junk journal, and I'm practicing. Finally, I go get something to catch the paint in between, so it doesn't stick. The paint doesn't stick to the other side. Y'all, sometimes I just sit down. I don't know what I'm getting ready to do, and I don't have all my materials around. But I saw that paint, and I said, "Oh, let me break out the paint." And in my mind, I just know I just kept saying, "And do not rest your elbow into the paint." Oh boy, because I would do that in a minute, but I didn't. Oh, I've had that brand for a long minute, a long, long minute. I think as long as I've had um was on this channel. I don't think they sell that anymore. Recollections over there in Michael's. They may. Today is one of the days I'm not very talkative, so I think I'm gonna cut some of this out, and then it's already sped up. Good grief! It still feels like no. It says normal. Wait a minute. But then there's the little something's a little off. Cause I well anyway. Like I see it is sped up though, but I think I'm going to play music. I don't have much to say today. Mm, I stop it. Now we're going to start the glue book. I found some things, you know, I have brought some things and that I wanted to glue down. And see, I'm quote unquote distressing the edges so it'll blend in. I hope everyone is well. I'm glad that now it's warming up. Oh gosh, this was a brutal winter. I mean, brutal since Thanksgiving. It's been really bad. Oh, so thank goodness it seems like it's getting ready to take a turn. I think in some parts where I'm doing the voiceover on this, in some parts they're warning that it may be a bad over the Valentine's Day and President's Day. I'm back to snipping things off of this album. Back in the day, I didn't have ribbons, so I used to use what I had, and I had yarn, so I used yarn to close it. Um, Worked well for that time. Oh, I must have already have took the trim off and put it on here. See where my hand is? You can barely see it because it's dark, but if I put a piece of white paper behind it, you better see it. Uh, and I'm getting ready to try to pull something else. Finally, I pushed the book down so you can see what I'm doing, but I must have hit the camera, and I apologize for it. It'll slow down from shaking in a minute. It's because I have it fast forwarded too, so it exaggerates the motion. I didn't hit it that bad. I would have hopefully have seen it, but it's going to slow down for a minute because sometimes putting it fast forward makes the camera, not camera shape, but the page. Well, anyway, it'll slow down. And here I am doodling a little bit, doing my favorite little dots. Then I'm going to get ready to go over here and do another favorite that I love to do is put scallops. I really am so glad I am back playing in this book because, like I say, it is a great use up of, you know, I was going through my mini albums and things I was organizing, and things of that nature. I don't get it. Why doesn't my craft room ever look completely organized? It never does. But anyway, you pull out this and this, these organized, and you pull out that, and it just never seems to get done for me. I just then I look at everybody else and they just look so organized. I just envy them. But I was organizing, quote unquote, some things, a lot of things about it. And I came across these mini albums, and I'm not gonna throw them away, and I don't want to display them because it's not good work. So it was fun to do when I was doing it, but it's not good work. I don't want to keep it. So I am glad it's getting a new life over here in this book, and then I could play with it and put my little mistakes. That's why I called this book years ago. It's my little mistake junky junk journal. Use it up, glue it down, tear it up, and then it has a new life over here in my book. Isn't that sweet? Okay, I'm not going to, get me started. Don't get me started. I try to pull it off. That doesn't quite come off. So I just rip the page. Yeah, there's a lot of these little ephemeral pieces. Yeah, I don't want to get rid of them. They were one of a kind or something. Or who wants to go to the store and rebuy them? I don't even know where I would find it. I do like the paper. I don't. Do I still have that paper? I don't think I've come across that paper again. Yeah, put these little ephemeral pieces that I have from back in the day up there. I'll find a place for some of this stuff. Look, I was trying to this cracks me up. I was trying to make antennae with the butterfly. Oh, that looked bad through the viewfinder. It looked horrible in person. So guess what? I plucked it off. I made it smaller and I plucked it off. See, that's what gets on my nerves sometimes. Sometimes it looks better when you're looking at it through here, when you're editing it. Oh, it still didn't look that bad. And guess what? I pluck it off. I'm trying to curl it at the edge and I plucked it off. Oh, that didn't look that. Look, it's gone, y'all. Bye. Oh, oh well. See what else? Like I was trying to get the bling off. I couldn't get it off. But guess what? Off to the side, I've got all this bling. I'll get that off one day though, because I'm not throwing that away when I'm done. I'll get it off. It'll go somewhere else. That would have looked cute if I would have known what. Oh, did I get some of it off? I could have made stems for the flowers over there. Oh no, that was a bag that was sitting there beside me. This is the year of the use it up, yo. Oh, how long have I had that? I remember, buy, buying that from not Tuesday More Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. When I didn't realize that Hobby Lobby, it wasn't in that craft section. It was in their not home decor, but it was in their seasonal decor. And they had the little gemstone. I said, wow. Wonder why they didn't have it on the other side. It was affordable. I was like, wow. I was happy to buy that. And I've been picking on it over the years. Oh, I'm sorry I pulled that trying to make. And not y'all proud of me. I let the paint dry for once. Before I went on. What else I'm gonna look for to pull off of this album? Oh, Y'all like, look, I'm gonna try to. I remember that was one of the first things I bought years ago from a lady. She doesn't have a YouTube. She left. She used to sell that laser cut from laser cut. Yeah, ephemera from be way before Dollar Tree and all the other places used to sell it. Those big flat back pearls. Oh, I'm waving goodbyes. Oh, and then I got to knock you around a little bit. Yeah, because I had to speed this up. This was 40 something minutes. 40 something minutes of filming. And I must have cut it off here and there to let the paint dry and stuff. Well, anyway, I like to thank you so very much for watching and hanging out with me while I did a little art journaling and my junky junk glue book. Thank you so very much. And if you've made it this far, I just knocked into my knee and it hurts, but I'm going to try to keep going. Ow! But if you've made it this far, you like to let me know that you've stopped by and you don't have anything to say. Even if you do, give me a wave. You know how we do. We give a wave. And because I broke out the paint in this one, we can have a paint emoji. And what else? And then of course, always the scissors and the glue book emoji. And I will talk to you later in the next video. Bye.